Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on Caviar. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your address from Caviar. Maybe you're at an Airbnb or maybe you're on vacation. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Caviar. Next, click on the top left hand corner where it says your address. Next, you can actually go ahead and search for an address here. So go ahead and type in your new address. And as you start to type in your new address, it'll start to auto-populate. So we're going to click on save. And then you're going to see that the restaurants and fast food places now go ahead and auto-populate based on what's closest to you. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your address on the Caviar app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.